Hi guys, I'm making my first tech video today. So if I stumble on words, please excuse the dust. I'm feeling a bit nervous, but anyway, I'll give it a shot and see how it goes. I've got this computer laptop over here. It's a Toshiba Satellite L750, and it has come for upgrade in my lab. And my client was telling me that it's running terribly slow, and even though it's not a very old computer, but still it runs very slow. So I had a look at it, and I found that it has originally it has got Windows 7 running on it, which was taking ages to boot, and even after booting it was taking a long time to run the applications and so on. So anyway, I told my client to upgrade the laptop and just change the hard drive and replace it with a SSD instead. And I told him that it will be 300% faster after replacing the drive, and he was very stunned to know. So he gave me the laptop yesterday, and I've got the drives over here. As you can see, this is the Toshiba drive, which is it's a HDD actually. It's a hard disk drive running at 5400 RPM, and the capacity of this drive is around about 500 gigs. So it's running Windows 7 at the moment, and I just want to show you to start with. I just want to show you that how long it takes for the computer to boot. So we'll just see. I've got a timer on my computer over here, as you can see. So what I'll do is, in my next video, I'll just press the start button, and from there we'll see that how long it takes to log into the computer and it's ready for processing. So let's give it a shot. Now first I'll press the start button on my timer. So here we go, and then I'll press the start button here. Okay, so it's started. Now we'll see. So as we can see, the timer was already 5 seconds ahead. So whatever time we finish at, we can deduct the 5 seconds, and that will give us the exact time to find out that how long the laptop takes to boot. And mind you, this is running on the old HDD hard disk drive. So still trying to load. Almost a minute, and we still can't see the desktop. Okay, there comes the welcome screen. And that's the login screen, so I'll put in the password. So the password is typed in, and now still stuck on the welcome screen. We're waiting for the desktop to appear, and it's already 1 minute and 17 seconds. So here you go. That's the desktop, and as you can see, it's still, the mouse pointer is still showing that the system is busy, so it's still not fully loaded. So, and the time is almost 2 minutes, and the mouse pointer is still busy, so we can see that it's still working. Okay, so let's take this a testing point. I'll pause the timer. So I have paused it at 2 minutes and 7 seconds. So let's take 5 seconds off. So I would say, let's say 2 minutes it took for the laptop to boot from the press of the button to the actual desktop appearance. So now what we'll do is, I'll just shut down the computer and put the new drive in, and then we'll see how fast the computer boots with an SSD drive. Okay, so I'll just switch off this laptop now. Even the shutdown process is quite lengthy. I should have actually turned on the timer over there to see how long it takes, but it doesn't really matter now. We can just see for ourselves that how long it's gonna take. And the lights are still going on. Now it's off. So yeah, it didn't take that long. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.